Are you getting trouble sharing your Amazon cart item to your friends and family? Hey everyone, welcome to ISO 8. Today we have bring something that will come handy while sharing your Amazon cart. Head to Add My Cart website link, comments and description. Go to Add My Cart website and click the Install the Chrome extension. Within few seconds, the extension will be installed. After installing it, go to Amazon. There you will see Share Cart button, meaning you are ready to share your cart. Just add to any item you want to share and click Add to Cart. It will auto-detect and create shareable link. You can access the link by simply clicking Share Cart button. However, with this extension, you can actually share your Amazon Fresh items, which majorly other platforms fail to do. Just pick anything from Fresh section, like we add blueberries. Now after adding the Fresh cart, you will see two separate sections for your Fresh cart item. With General cart item, plus point you can copy both links separately and share them. Now after, you can cross-check your shared item by pasting the copied link to other browser. However, if you need more details, just go to our website, link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video, subscribe us.